Maggie. Who are you? Bro's gay. What am I witnessing right now? You can't say shit. Too tight. What are you? But I know y'all gonna live to see the next day. I'm freaking.
Maybe it's time to rage quit, eh?
Yeah, I should rage quit. Okay. Man, no. I don't know. Bro, who's doing that? Okay then. Okay.
You won't live to see the next day.
Well, that's interesting. Ring around the rosy. Okay then. Die! I can't move. Two times. What do I do? I definitely didn't pass out for 1 point.
You're short.
Yo! Bro. What the
You're
fuck?
short.
Bro.
I love knocking out teeth.
That's crazy.
Your humanoid property has no chance against mine. We are soldiers, and soldiers don't go to hell.
Nobody gets to win fuck.
I gotta buy me and the folks some pizza after this. You won't live to see the next day.
Yo!
Maybe it's time
Stop!
to rage quit, eh?
No!
I feel no pain. Can you say the same?
Stop! Bro! Weird!
I feel no pain. Can you say the same? You're short. You're short. You're short.
Well, forget. Very into me. The fact I should freaking wanna get away from me.
No chance against mine. Soldiers, and soldiers don't go to hell.
Yeah.
Knocking out teeth.
I don't know what I'm doing. California, California, lazy. Okay, let me stop. No, get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. I'm supposed to be killing you. What are you doing? No. Stop! Stop! my god, he keeps freaking backshotting me. Oh my god, he keeps backshotting me. Keeps doing it and it's annoying. I want to see what I'll dance real quick. Wait, they don't love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. No, Oh, we had somebody doing something random. What the f- I don't know what I'm doing with this guy right now. I'm just looking at. What is this? Yas, get it gang, get it gang. We got it. We got Mufasa on me, dude. Bro! Oh, yeah? No. Okay, anyways.